Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can open notes in NotePlan from other apps. For example, you want to open this date here, Thursday, June 4, and you want to open it from another note-taking app or from TextEdit or from wherever you want. And it should open inside NotePlan and open the note right away. So you can do this with X callback URLs. So this sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple to do in NotePlan. So you need to first type anything in your note so it gets saved. By the way, notes get saved in your iCloud Drive folder, and you see here the file name. And you can also click on Show in Finder, and here is the text file where this note is actually saved on your device. And now let's create an X callback URL to this note, to Thursday, June 4. So you click here again, and then you have the option Copy URL to Note. So this is an X callback URL. For example, then you go to TextEdit or wherever you want to paste it. I create a link out of it, and this is now a link which opens NotePlan directly. You see here we have the callback URL at the beginning, and then open note, and then the file name, and then the actual file name. So this is how it's composed. You can use this from any other app which supports links, and there's more. So you can do more than just opening notes with these links. You can also add notes, or you can add text to existing notes. To find out more about that, just open Google, type in NotePlan X callback, for example. And at the top you should already get the website with the FAQ for this. And here you see all the commands with examples and all the attributes it supports. So you can start either scripting with this or use it from within other apps to edit NotePlan or to open things from NotePlan. If you have any questions, just write to me or write a comment below. And thanks for watching.